Ooh, hey guys, what's up? First video since having that surgery, and I just wanted to thank whoever it was that anonymously rather. I'm still learning how to speak, Louisiana. But I sincerely, this is a heartfelt bit of gratitude to you guys for, not only following along, but then sort of suffering the learning curve with me over at YouTube as I try to get you guys to migrate over. But incredibly grateful to whomever sent this giant pack of chopsticks. I'm incredibly grateful. Just, come on. Look at this, even the dragonflies, come on. It's so generous of you guys. I don't know who did it, but thank you so much. You guys have made this an incredibly enriching experience, humbling experience, and something that has proven to be a really good use of my time. So I just want to tell you that I'm grateful, and hope you guys are having a safe weekend out there and enjoying your families and friends, and if you got kids, enjoying them too. You guys stay safe, discharge those amps before you get your greasy hands in there. Pay attention. Bye-bye. See you guys soon. Oh yeah, go check out the YouTube channel, Forgotten Gear Restorations. Bye.